Well, howdy people. I have to keep this short because the battery's almost dead, so I'll have to charge it. But welcome to this next installment of Scale Model Restoration. I'm going to show you my paint booth real quick and a project that's on the bench there, and I'll run outside and I'll get a picture of the paint booth setup. So here we go. Straight pipe exhaust. There we have that. There's the outlet on the outside, and let me turn it on here real quick. Ice to water. It's a 727 or 747 starting up. A lot of suction there. A lot. Such it right here. That worked pretty good. Let me run outside and I'll show you the twin vents I got out there. Give me a second. Be right back. And there we have it. Old one on the left, new one on the right. That's an outside thermometer too, by the way. Best way to not drill through wood and walls and the whole 9 yards. Works out pretty good there. Okay, well, there you have it. And you see what it looks like on the outside. Okay, back to inside. Okay, people, welcome back. As you can tell, I've been busy last week. I was getting our room all straightened out, made it a little more tidy. I can actually get it stuff now. Moved the paint booth from there over to there, which made a lot of sense, you know, it really did. So it freed up some spots. Had an old metal workbench here, took it down. Roll around racks right there. That's stuff I got to figure out where to put yet. Eventually that rack will roll. I'll have my equipment on it. Excuse me. And bench is all free and box fans on because it's says it's 84 outside, but it's more like 86, 87. I'm going to have a video on the service truck later, hopefully before the storm hits. And look at that leg room, nothing stacked underneath there anymore. I'm going to span around to this side of the room. I had a few projects on the go, so the bench is filled back up, but it was empty. So yeah, I cleaned her up quite a bit, opened her up, actually do something now. I moved those boxes to the left side. They used to be over there, which made more sense. The door opens a lot farther now, so that helps. Shipping boxes eventually, when the time comes. My first computer in the bag there. My that diorama I did last year out of coffee stir sticks, piece at a time. I'll definitely get that back out so I can get it in a video too, so you can check it out. Okay, let me get situated here, get set up with the tripod, and I'm going to show you the leaf springs I made and how that turned out. And oh, and here there's the truck I'm building for a gentleman. '37 Ford pickup. Okay, so give me a few minutes and get the tripod set up. Okay, people, we're back. Oh, she's a scorcher out there. Oh, even hot in here. It says 84.1 outside, and by golly, that's what I have in here. So, okay, here we go. If we seem to recall, I scratch built this leaf spring here. Hopefully it'll automatically focus. Probably not. I'll have to get some still pictures. Kind of hard to see it now that it's black. I added some spot putty around the ends to help strengthen it. Plus make it look a little cleaner. We put it on smooth enough. You shouldn't have to sand it or nothing. That's how I did it. And seems to look alright. So that's the front one. I'm still working on that one. I got the wheel backs modified, so, but I added some color. I got the first coat in there now. So I'll have to go in there and clean it up and give it another coat. See if I can get it centered here. I think that'll help distract them a little bit. I went ahead and put the motor in it. Just enough to hold the drive shaft here. Let's widen the angle here a little bit. So I did the back wheels too. Added the fuel tank. And I don't know if you can see this or not, but I did the same with the rear. I had spot putty on the ends. Makes it look really clean once you paint it. And of course it's a curbside, but motor had to go in it to hold the drive shaft up. I still got the brace to put on it, which is right here. And let me go ahead and I'll show it to you. Let me put the body on there for you. Gives you an idea what it looks like. There you go. What do you think? Look alright? Hope the guy likes it. Yeah, back this up a little bit here. There. Yeah, I think it'll work pretty good. I think you'll like it. A shot of the back here. Spin it around. There's a shot of the bed. I'll zoom in a little bit. There you go. Okay, well, that's about going to wrap it up for this video here. Just a little bit of this and that. The El Camino, I do have a hood on it now. I'll go ahead and show that here real quick. A little dusty. Well, she's shaping up. And here's the other side. I still got to foil yet. Might get to it tonight. Don't know. Okay, people. Well, the next installment I think is going to be my service truck, so I'm going to do a little work here and to get my bench cleaned up, and then I'll bring it out and we'll take you a tour through it. Until then, be good.